Hello and welcome to this video. My name is Dan, I'm a Photoshop artist, and today I want to turn myself into Mahito from Jujutsu Kaisen doing his domain expansion. I wasn't really satisfied with my last two edits, so I really hope this one's gonna turn out better. All of my artwork is uploaded to my Instagram, so if you want to follow me there, the link is down below in the description. I also have two new formats on my TikTok, one where I turn memes into anime characters, and the other where I turn followers into anime characters. The link to that is also down below. Man, it feels good to upload so many different things. Content creation is my only source of happiness. Let's take a picture. I needed the picture to be taken from above, so I put my camera on the table, but that wasn't high enough. So I tried building my way up with chairs. You can see here what that looked like. This is the picture I went with. I took some pictures of my hands for the edit, and let's get into editing. This is what the final picture looks like. I can't believe that I'm saying this, but besides some minor things, I'm actually pretty satisfied with how it turned out. It's classic YouTuber outro time. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, consider liking and subscribing to my channel. Like I mentioned before, all of my artwork is uploaded to Instagram, and I also do TikTok content. The links to that are down in the description. Let me know in the comments which character I should turn myself into next. Holy shit, this is like jump cut after jump cut after jump cut. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.